What happens to your rental properties when you pass away without a will? The courts will decide how to distribute your assets out to your beneficiaries. And so, as an example, in Georgia, your assets will get split evenly between your spouse and your kids, with your spouse getting a minimum of 1/3. If you don't have a spouse, it'll get split evenly between your kids. But basically, if you wanted your rental properties to go down to your spouse, which makes sense if you have a surviving spouse, they would not get full ownership of your entire rental portfolio. They would get a minimum of 1/3 of your rental portfolio, and then the kids would get the rest of that rental portfolio, even if they aren't ready, and even if your spouse needs to have that money to support themselves financially through the rest of their life. And so if you want to make sure that your spouse gets those rental properties that you have a couple different options. You could do joint tenants or rights of survivorship. That will give you and your spouse co-ownership of each of those rental properties, and then when one of you passes away, your portion of the rental property will get passed directly down to them and avoid the probate process. Another way to do it is put all the rental properties inside of a revocable trust. That way, when you pass away, the properties avoid the probate process and they will go to the surviving spouse without, that's it, they just go to the surviving spouse.